Welcome back for another video, and I got really mesmerized by my last rose blooms. They came out so beautiful, and here I'm experimenting with the same technique, and I'm using different shades, and it came out also absolutely delicious. I'm using purple pinata ink. Then I'm using some cheap ink. I don't know, I don't remember the brand. I think it was pale red or peach red. And I'm using white paste for the petals from Laura's Corner. And those blooms came out with absolute incredible shades of soft lilac, pale lavender, and grape-purple. So the key to this is really the way you swirl the white paste. So what I did here, I first filled up almost to the top the coasters with the clear resin, and now I'm just dropping drops of inks. First I use pale red, and now purple pinata ink, and you can see the difference between the the red one, which is a cheap ink. Again, I will put in the description below the brand of it, and the pinata is just spreading like crazy. You can see that. And after that, it would be nice to wait a little bit for the petals to start drawing them, because you want the white paste start a little bit settling. So I would wait maybe 10 minutes. But I'm using again resin boat. Oh gosh, I forgot. Resin something. And it has only 20 minutes of working time, so you have to kind of do it by touch. So I'm waiting until I do the drops, and using my heat gun to get rid of bubbles. So maybe 10 minutes had passed, and then I start drawing petals. So what I'm doing here, I'm just like kind of blending the colors with the barbecue stick. You can use anything. You can use a toothpick or any kind of sharp end stick. And I'm going in both directions, clockwise and in the opposite direction as well. So at the beginning, I kind of, since my working time is so limited, 20 minutes, I'm not cleaning the stick in between the petals, and the white starts sinking in, and that's a key. You're not gonna see it at the top, so no worries. If the petals start kind of disappearing, they will pop at the bottom once you unmold it. So the rest is pretty much explanatory. I will draw the petals with white, and then I will circle in the middle. So I guess the most important thing here is the middle. Don't forget to do that. And I will comment on that as well. Yeah, the reason I'm doing voiceover now, because I'm wearing a full gear mask and it covers, so if I'm gonna talk during the video, first of all, it's very uncomfortable. You will hear me like talking from submarine or something, so it's not gonna be clear. So here I'm drawing the second and the third. They kind of follow with the vibe, how the petals would appear in my mind. And here I'm doing a circle, the middle, the center of the flower. And the same goes with the rest of the coasters. And yeah, enjoy the rest of the video and stay until unmolding time. It's always a surprise. I love it. And actually, out of 3, the first one when I was unmolding, I thought it came out with plums and something like it's not perfect in my eyes at the beginning, and after really observing for quite some times, I used it as my thumbnail because it came out absolutely as the most beautiful out of the 3, which at the beginning, again, I thought it's not perfect. But there is something so ethereal and organic and very, very airy about it. And yeah, I used it as my thumbnail for this video. Alright guys, don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy the rest of the video. Bye for now.
good morning, wherever you are. Good evening, good morning from sunny Florida. Birds are singing, squirrels flying, butterflies are making me happy. Oh my god, are you ready for surprise? So I got addicted to this roses that I made in the previous batch. So let's see how this one will go. La 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 la. Yes, yes, little shamanistic ritual. Everything is gonna be gorgeous, beautiful. All right. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let's see. Okay. Surprise. Are you ready? Oh my god. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh my god. Oh, a few blobs, but it's okay. That gives a 3D effect. I love this swirly. I don't know if I'm showing the correct way. Okay, let's see another one. Oh, I love the color, the purple lavender. All right, next. Let's see. Okay, are you ready? Voila. Oh my god, so ethereal. So pretty. I love this. I think I'm gonna spend all my resin on those coasters. Holy shit. Oh, I'm sorry. It's so gorgeous. Alrighty, next. They're still kind of bending. You gotta wait 24 hours. I'm using, what is it, resin? Boat resin? Alright, so that's why I'm using gloves. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. Boom. Oh, wow. I worked a lot on this one. Remember at the end I was swirling and give like more petals underneath the petals. Holy wow, this is the best out of 3. This is a little bit, you know, kind of organic, wild, not uniform. This is the same, but this one is just perfection. Oh my god. Can you see? Wow, that's it. I'm addicted to this technique. How pretty. Look at this. And I decided to make only 3 instead of 4. I think 3 is enough set. And if anybody would like to purchase it, it's gonna be in my Etsy store. Link below. Oh my god, it's so gorgeous. Alright guys, bye, enjoy your day.